Okay, we're going to explain how to replace your Carlson clutch on your Patriot. First thing I would do is mark reference lines on the motor plate and on the mandrel shaft where the clutch is, so you know where to put everything when you replace it. Start by loosening the 4 motor mount bolts with a 5/16 Allen wrench. Once you do that, you can slide the motor forward to loosen the belt, and then you want to take your crescent wrench and loosen up the rotary union and the air line to get those out of the way. Take these off. Be careful, the rotary union has a bronze washer on it that can fall off, so just be careful. Next you want to do is slide your belt off. Once the motor's loose, take your 5/64 Allen wrench, and there's 2 set screws in the clutch, one right there. The other one is 45 degrees from that. Once you loosen that, you can slide it back first. Take the key out, slide this forward, and then you can put the replacement on. Put the key in first. Slide the clutch back to your reference line on the shaft and tighten that down. Make sure to get the set screws pretty tight. That's a 5/64 Allen wrench for those. And then you can put your belt back on. You can put your rotary union back on. And your air line. Make sure these are all tight. It's best to have someone hold the end of the mandrel shaft on the other side when you tighten this with your crescent wrench. Once that's all tight, your belt's on, put your motor back. You might need to wedge a piece of wood in here. Pull that back, and then once your lines are lined up, you can tighten up your 4 screws, and you're good.